Hello and welcome to another episode of Goa 365 Story Behind the Story. Now this right from the Bhumiputra bill which we have been debating in the past two episodes, it's gone to Goinkar Pond, 1961, unconstitutional. It's gone to various issues, including the fact that if the name is changed of this particular bill, which is going to be an act, I'm sure the government is pretty sure of it. If the name change, will it make a difference, or will the bill remain the same? Will there be anything? So I would like to start with Advocate Carlos on this particular issue, and then you can go on to the other points that you want to bring up. So
once the bill is passed by the House, it is no longer within the control of the House. It is then in the hands of the Speaker, who certifies and sends it to the Governor for his assent. Then the Governor has his options of granting assent or submitting the bill back for reconsideration or reserving it for assent of the President.
Dudar, I'd just like to interrupt you on this. Now this is a land bill. Does it have to go to the Governor, or does it have to go to the President? What is the technical part of this?
In my view, land is entry 18 of list 2 of schedule 7, which means it's a state subject.
Okay, fine.
And therefore it will be within the competence of the state legislature, which means the Governor can have the assent,
Okay. Yes.
can grant the assent. So now the question is, once the bill is with the Speaker for onward transmission to the Governor, amendment to this bill, whether it's a typing mistake, whether it's one comma, full stop, or even the name or the definition to be changed, cannot be done sitting in the executive's cabin, cannot be done by announcements. It has to go before the House. So the bill has to be represented back, tabled back on the floor of the House, and only after the House approves, then it can be changed.
Sorry, Dudar, again I need to interrupt you.
So that is one part, as far as
No,
the
because
procedure is concerned.
no, I'm talking about the government is said to that it's got suggestions and all. Now, how valid is that?
I'm coming to that.
Okay.
Now by mere changing a name, will it change the effect? You can call a rose by any name, it will smell as sweet. So even a lotus will be very sweet. You can call it lotus, or you can kamal, anything, it will be the same. You understanding what I'm saying? But down there, those roots which are there are very dangerous, and that has not changed. Because why I say it has not changed? Because the text of the act remains the same, only the word nomenclatures changed. So now change केल जाल्यार भूमिपुत्र भूमी केल जाल्यार ओ आनी दुसरे कसले शब्द गायले जाल्यार ते चेंज जायना, दुसरे सगळे सेम उरले, हे बेश्टे फोटोवा. So changing a name does not make any this thing. The other thing which Mr. Bernekar mentioned is that we are otherwise agreeing with it, or do we agree with this by making this change? No. You see, the foundation of this bill is completely flawed. The foundation of the bill is not relating to private property. So it's not tweaking private property and removing private property from it. The manner in which you are dispossessing, if you want, that's why I say to you, do we object to granting the rights? You are saying as of 1971, if I am not mistaken, you said 1 lakh. Put the cut-off date of 1971, we'll be happy with it. Okay. Put the cut-off date as 1971. We will see who is going to be entitled to it. You understanding? And then, if you are targeting government lands, which are called land revenue lands, the titles to government land comes under the land revenue code. Amend the land revenue code. There is no need of creating any heartburn for the people. See, we also want that people who have lived in the houses long time, no one wants to displace them. There are many people who have been our friends, we have played with them together, we have grown up together. Why should they be on the road? So we have no such desire to displace anyone. We have nothing which we are superior or they are inferior, or they are superior and we are inferior, nothing like that. We are all the same. We have played together, never thinking of any differences. We have never thought of any such type of distinctions. I say, give them the right, they will stand. But you will never give them the right. I will assure you that this right will not be given. They will be kept dangling. Because this dangling is very good for you. to keep garnering votes
For the government.
for the ruling dispensation. And you look at it, every time it has been promises and lies. So nothing has been coming out of it. Jobs have been advertised, collection of money for jobs, and then suddenly the jobs are scrapped. This is similar pattern which we are seeing all the time. Therefore, I am telling you, even 1,000 jobs or 10,000 jobs, you will see how many applications, you give 1,000 people in the police department jobs, 30,000 people, families will be against you. So this will all be a part of the game which will go on. So my respectful contention is that changing the name does not make a difference. You scrap this bill. See, even if you want to say you are open to suggestion, now you are saying you are open to suggestion. After you have bulldozed the bill, after you have passed it without letting the people know, and because of the furor of the public, and especially the real Goans have been very upset, now you are saying, I will change the term, I will invite objections. You already finished. Your soup is made already. The dinner is cooked. And you are going to invite suggestions, means you are going to put some more additional salt over it. So I say that inviting suggestions is a strategy to delay, to buy time, and probably to try to mislead the people that, see, these people are opposing you, we will all gather together, and then probably try to have their day, whatever, even if they have a session, what they will call the winter session, and they seek to pass it. You can watch my words. My contention is that the bill should be scrapped in toto.
Thank you, sir. Manoj.
Yeah. पोगो बिलाचेर वेर्णेकर बाब उलयलो की पोगो बॉल
First, the Bhumipitra, will it change?
ना आमकां सर भूमिपुत्र नाव चेंज केले म्हणून फाल्यां तूं प्रमोद पुत्र दिले म्हणून आमकां तशें कांय ना पो बिला नांवाचेर हे बिलूच ना कित्याक नांव कितें आसपाक शकता पूण जो कंटेंट आसा आनी गोंयकारांक जो फटोवपाचें आसा फॉर एग्जाम्पल सरान जशें सांगलें की जॉबाचे तेंच्यान सांगलें तशेंच लास्ट इयर पासून आतां पॅरा टिचर्स हे करता एजिटेशन करता प्रोटेस्ट करता तांकां 2016-2017 इलेक्शनाच्या पयलीं विनय तेंडुलकरान स्वता सायन मारून तांकां सांगलेलें की आमी तुका रेग्युलरायज करतले म्हणून तांकां स्वता तेंच्या मॅनिफेस्टोन तेंच्यांनी बरयल्ली की पॅरा टिचर्स हा तेंचे रेग्युलरायझेशन करतले म्हणून ते सांगना कित्याक 2016-2017 इलेक्शन आसलें सो 2016 ते लेटर तेंच्यांनी दिले मॅनिफेस्टोन घातले सेम थिंग हांगा चल्ला फक्त आनी फक्त लोकांक फटोवपाचें आनी हें तेंचो भंय आसा पळय तेजें रिजनूय सांगता हें भंय सगळो जाला तो बिकॉज ऑफ पोगो बील कित्याक इतले गोंयकार आयज पोगो जर तुमी सोशल मिडियाचेर जर पळयशात जाल्यार जेन्ना सीएम उरले तेन्ना पोगो म्हणून चालू आसता आनी आज वेर्णेकर बाबाक सांगपाक सोदता की आमचो लिगल एडवायझर रेडी आसा हें बील कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल आसा म्हणून प्रूव करपाक वी आर रेडी फॉर दॅट 100% वी आर रेडी इलिगल आसा हे बीजेपीक प्रूव करूनी नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली विंटर सेशन येता विंटर सेशनाक हांव सीएमा कडेन मागता की तुमी आनी हे बीजेपीचे जे पॅनल आहा तेंच्या कडेन मागता की तेंच्यांनी हे बील प्लेस करचे टेबल करचे आमी तुमकां दिल्लें आसा जाय जाल्यार परते दिता तुमी ते इलिगल आसा म्हणून तुमी प्रूव करा आमकांय जाय तुमच्या कडल्यान की हे बील लिगल की कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल की अनकॉन्स्टिट्युशनल हे कळपाक आनी जेन्ना वेर्णेकर बाब कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाचे गजाली उलयता म्हाका दिसना खंयच्याच आमच्या इंडियेच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशन खंयच्याच सेक्शनान आर्टिकलान बरयला की तूं दुसऱ्या स्टेटीन वच आनी लोकांची जागो ग्रॅब कर म्हणून खंयच्याच स्टेटीन बरोवंक खंयच्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान बरोवंक ना की दुसऱ्याच्या स्टेटीन वच मर्डर कर रेप कर म्हणून खंयच्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान बरोवंक ना की वच आनी तूं रस्त्याचेर धंदो कर इलिगल धंदेकार आनी जे लिगल धंदे आहा ते डिस्प्लेस कर खंयच्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान बरोवंक ना की दुसऱ्या तूं स्टेटीन वच आनी ड्युअल वोटींग कार्ड कर म्हणून खंयच्याच स्टेटीन हे सगळे गजाली बरोवंक ना खंयच्याच स्टेटीन बरोवंक ना की तूं दुसऱ्या स्टेटीन वच आनी दुसऱ्यांची घरां एन्क्रोच कर ग्रॅब कर आयज कितलेशेच गोंयकारांची मायग्रंटांनी घरां ग्रॅब केल्ली आसा गोंयकारांच्या नांवाचेर लोक पोर्तुगालाक पासून पावले कितलेशेच कंप्लेंट्स आसा हाली लेटस्ट पासून आमच्या कडेन केस येयला सो कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाचे जे गजाली आसा पळय ते बेश्टे ऑन अ पॉलिटिकल हे नाजाल्यार इंडियन देशभक्तीच्या नांवाचेर काडचे न्हू ते आमकांय खबर आहा आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युशन फॉलो करता आमी सुद्दां इंडियन वी ऑल्सो प्राऊड इंडियन आमी 15 ऑगस्ट सेलिब्रेट करता सो दॅट डजंट मीन की आमच्या गोंयान कोण तरी येतलो आनी हांगा लॉच्या अगेन्स्ट काम करतलो तेकाच वेर्णेकर बाबाक सांगपाक सोदता की गोवा लँड प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ कन्स्ट्रक्शन एक्ट 1995 हो सरकारान काडलेलो आमी काडूंक ना रेव्होल्युशनरी गोन्सान ड्राफ्ट करूंक ना हेतून क्लियर कट बरयल्लें की ह्या दिसा फुडले कोणेच इलिगल गव्हर्मेंट लँडाचेर ना कम्युनिटी लँडाचेर विदाउट परमिशन कांयच बांदचें न्हू म्हणून जाल्यार हो लॉ कसो ब्रेक जालो हो लॉ ब्रेकूच जावपाक जाय आसलो जर कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाचे गजाली बीजेपी करता नाल्यार वेर्णेकर बाब करता जाल्यार तेणें सांगचें की हो लॉ कित्याक ब्रेक जालो हो लॉ कित्याक इम्प्लिमेंट जावन तेजेर एग्जिक्युशन जावना आनी जे कोणें बांदला तेंचेर कारवाय कित्याक जावना आमी लॉ फक्त नांवांक करता जर तशेंच दवरता ते लॉ करपाचेच न्हू आणि स्पेशली हांव आपाकूय परते विचारपाक सोदता आयज जे गोवा फॉर गोवन जे नेटान चल्ला आनी गोंयकारांक आयज आमकां भंय आसा की एवरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी येता आनी गोंयकार 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 करता पूण गोंयकार कोण तो डिफायन करिना. आप जाल्यार गोवा फॉर गोवन्स म्हणून तेंचे व्हडले तेंचे राउंड लोगो आसा तितून गोवा फॉर गोवन्स म्हणून घालता, पोटल्यो वाडटा, पूण तितून गोंयकार कोण तो आयज म्हाका दिसता जेम्स बाबाक एक सांगता, जेम्स बाबान काळजांतल्यान गोंयकार कोण तो उलयलो तेच्या काळजान गोंय हा, पूण म्हाका दिसना की आम आदमी पार्टीच्या चड्डा आनी कोण नड्डा कोण येता पळय तेंच्या काळजान गोंयकार ना जाल्यार गोंयकार कोण तो आसा म्हणून. कित्याक तेंकां जर गोंयकार गेलो जाल्यार हेंकां दिल्लीच्यान हांगा येताना भोंवताना प्रॉपर्टी घेवपाक मेळचे. सो प्लीज हांव मागता जेम्स बाबा कडेन की ही डिबेट भरपूर लोक पळयतात आनी आमकांय तुमकां चान्स मेळोंक नासलो केन्ना डायरेक्ट विचारपाक, जाल्यार सगळे गोंयकारूय रावला की आम आदमी पार्टीचो आम आदमी पोटल्यो वाडटा कितें करता गोंयाक लागून कितें ते बॅग्स दे आर डिस्ट्रिब्युटिंग ग्रोसरीज ओके ते दिल्लीच्यान आय डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेर दे आर गेटिंग द मनी ते सोड सर दॅट इज अनदर एक्सपेक्ट. पूण गोंयकार कोण गोवन जे म्हणटा ते गोवन्स तेणी आपलें डेफिनेशन सांगलें आपल्या काळजांतल्यान बिकॉज ही इज अ गोंयकार ब्लू ब्लडेड जावं कसलोय ब्लडेड जावं जाल्यार तेणी आयज एक्सप्लेन आमकां एज अ आप रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह तेणी आमकां एक कट ऑफ डेट दिवची की तेंचे गोवन्स म्हणल्यार डेफिनेशन तेंच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ना तेंच्या जे पार्टी मॅनिफेस्टो तितून वॉट इज देअर कट ऑफ डेट ना वॉट इज गोवन.
James, yes. Now directly.
No, first we'll come to whether we want the Bhumiputra
name.
new
Change name. Yes.
Yeah. By changing the name, nothing is going to happen, and we said we are opposing this Bhumiputra bill. It has to be scrapped because it is a fraud that is being paid. Just because there is a sword hanging on the people's neck does not mean that you also hang a carrot there. So it's not going to work. This was just to bluff everybody just before the elections. So the bill has to be scrapped in toto. Coming to the doubts that those are being raised on who is Goa. Now, as we said, when we want to define Goa, you will have to define it for what reason we want. Now, Goans have been defined, as I said, the grandparents and the great-grandparents who were there, and the generations that blew from that particular is a Goan. Now, coming to the schemes.
From when? 61.
61.
Okay.
Prior to that, जे कोण गोंयान जल्माक आयले वाडले गोंयान.
That is your definition. What about your party definition?
See,
you cannot change the definition according to your need.
The party has
जॉबाक लागून हो गोवन, लँडाक लागून हो गोवन, गोवन इज गोवन.
जेन्ना आमी सांगतले बाकीचे जे लोकांक जे सुविधा दिवपाक जाय, ज्यो स्किम्स ज्यो आसात, जे स्किमाक जे कितें रेलेवंट आसा, तो इश्यू आतां हे भुमिपुत्राक लागून हो क्वेश्चन जो आयलो आनी आमच्या सगळ्या गोंयकारांचेर जो आकांत दिसलो, वी हॅव ऑल कम टुगेदर to safeguard Goa and safeguard Goans. There is no two ways about it. The things that are being asked about the debate करपाक गोंयकार येना ते म्हणटा सी जी चड्डा कडेन जी डिबेट मागलेली ती गोंयकारानूच व्हडल्या गर्वान आनी with arrogance the person asked for a debate, and that is why the debate was on. He asked for a particular person to debate with, and that is why the power minister of Goa asked for a debate, and therefore the power minister of Aam Aadmi Party came down for a debate. There's no doubt about that. Second is गोंय आमचे माणकुलें आनी सोबीत सुंदर जेन्ना आमी म्हणटात जाल्यार ह्या गोंयकारान ह्या गोंयान भितर जो इतल्या वर्सांचो जो लोक आयले बसले आनी तांकां जर एक मनीस कसो जर संवसारान रावपाक गोंयांत रावपाक जो सुविधा दितात ज्या स्लम आनी किचडे रावतात तांकां जर हावजींग नॉट आय एम नॉट सेइंग दे आर गोइंग टू बी मेड लायक दीस बील बट आमचे गोंय बरें दवरपाक जर हावजींग फॅसिलिटी जर प्रोवायड करपाक शकतात देन यू चार्ज रेंट ऑन देम बट आवर गोवा बिकम्स क्लीन. Nobody is going to take away that.
I didn't understand. Oh, I didn't
No, they are saying that some of our leaders came from Delhi and they said, "किधर झुग्गी में रहता हम तुमको मकान बना कर देंगे."
Okay, you're talking about Jain.
Yeah, so that is not the. We are not trying to implement this Bhumiputra there. What we are trying.
काय ना direct झोपडे apartment बांधून दिले.
No. If you want to have the workforce in Goa, now they have been here in Goa 30 years. That's why what we are objecting is why when the land is being given to somebody, why this 30 years provision there? But the provision should have been right from the day of liberation.
Fair enough.
So ना हेचेर सर एकूच सांगता की ते फायनली गोवन्स कोण तो डिफायन करूंक ना आपण हे लोकांक कळपाक भूमिपुत्र कोण तो आयज बोवाळ जाल्ला कित्याक गोंयकारांक बेनिफीट जावचो ना भूमिपुत्र बील तेका लागून अपोज जाता अशें म्हाका दिसता पूण हांगा कितें दुसरेंच हें जाल्ला पूण जेन्ना भूमिपुत्र गोंयकार कोण तो तुमी डिफायन करिना आनी सेकंडली तुवें म्हटलें की भायल्यान लोक येता मायग्रंट लेबर फोर्स येता तो आमकां दवरपाक जाय लेबराक लागून आयज लेबर पॉलिसी गोंयकारांक लागून ना दॅट डजंट मीन की एवरी लेबर आयज केरळान लेबर वयता तो गेस्ट लेबर म्हणून आसता थंय हांगा तो सिटीजन जावपाक वचना थंय हांगा तुमी आयज उलयता पळय तुमी उलयतात की तुमी लेबर म्हणून आमी तुमकां सिटीजनशीप दिता तुमकां सगळे स्कीम दिता तुमकां गोंयकार म्हणटाच कित्याक तुमी तुवें आतां म्हटलें सो लोकांकूय सांगपाक सोदता की आम आदमी पार्टी फाल्यां येयली जाल्यार ती बिल हाडची ना डायरेक्ट झोपे उडून
Just before he begins, just I have one small question for you, just a clarification. This amended bill, where you got it from? Because it's not available on the website.
No, I just
It
checked
is-
with the
CM speech.
No, and because CM has also said, I have also heard when it was placed in the house.
No, I want to know because you have
As
the
per-
bill. That's why
as
you
per- no, I
said.
don't have the bill.
We have the copy
I
of the
have-
bill. We don't
I
have
have
the
the-
It's not there.
I have the same bill which you have.
Yeah, exactly.
But where is the
And
amendment?
I have, see, that's what I'm saying. I follow proceedings. I don't come for a debate unprepared.
With
No, no,
proceedings
but
and what
they have
the
to
CM
have
is
a-
saying.
have to get it.
See,
It
this
must
was-
be there.
See, that's what I'm saying. I mean, see, what I'm saying is you could have targeted the government on better issues. You could have said, ki your own BJP MLA had to bring in an amendment. That is okay.
Even if you
But
leave
what
out
I'm saying
tenanted
is-
premises, does it affect the ownership of the balance going away?
Sorry?
It doesn't.
Sorry? I didn't
You
get
leave
it.
out tenanted premises. Now it's excluded. Non-tenanted
No,
premises will
that's what
get
I'm saying.
covered.
But currently,
Will get
currently, does any act give you land rights over government land? It does not.
सो तेका लागून रेव्हेन्यू
that is why you amend the-
There is an act
You are,
on that.
no. What I'm trying to say is they are opposing a formation of new act, but they are agreeing with the intent.
No, no, but
No,
it is
no,
already
no,
there.
no,
Of course,
There is
it is
no
already
intent.
available.
The intent is to regularize
Sometime back.
See the date.
Sometime back he said ki let the cutoff be 1971.
Correct.
So how parat sangta, see the rules should not be just because some 10% will also benefit along with that. You should not deprive 90% goans. How parat sangta 1971 च्या पहिली 1 लाख घरां आसा. आता ताणे मोती डोंगर म्हणलो आनी कणे म्हणलो सगळें खबर आहा आता तो तशें म्हणटा तुमी लोकांकडे वतना पार्टीज तो काही वर्सां पयलीं तो आपा खातीर वतालो आज आरजी आसा फाल्यां द वे ही हॅज रेफर्ड टू मिस्टर कालुसीज आर्ग्युमेंट टू सपोर्ट हीज आर्ग्युमेंट फाल्यां ही मे गो फॉर काँग्रेस सी आय कॅन टेल यू वन थिंग आय मीन दोतरान म्हणलें की आय मे बी रिप्रेझेंटिंग द गव्हर्नमेंट आय एम टेलिंग यू आय हॅव बीन
No, I didn't say that. Nobody has said
No,
that.
what I'm saying is,
You
I
have
have-
said it.
I have been a
That was not on camera.
okay. Then I will withdraw my.
Yeah, we
so
will-
like they say in the assembly, this may be expert. ना पण जशें हांव म्हणलें परत आतां इवन 30 वर्सां जो गोंयांत रावला तो गोंयकार न्हय अशें जर आमी म्हणटा जाल्यार आय डोंट नो कोण गोंयकार सी दॅट्स वॉट आय एम सेयिंग आय मीन यू मे हॅव डिबेट ऑन कट ऑफ 2019 I will say yes, this suggestion should be given. But that's what I'm saying. At some point of time, then जसं मनोज म्हणटा मनोज also was inspired by a political ideology. दुसरें परत म्हणजे ऑफकोर्स म्हणजे समटायम्स ट्रिव्हिलायझिंग द डिबेट तांणी प्रमोद पुत्रा नांव दिवचें आय थिंक दिस इज वॉट वी सी ऑन पोगो चॅनल आनी हांव परत सांगता की हो पोगो बिल आसा विल नॉट स्टँड आतां फाल्यां हांव नवी आयडिया
ना,
काडटलो
ना, ना,
फाल्यां न्हय
I-
एक मिनीट हांव फाल्यां हांव काडटा खरो गोंयकार एक्ट I will come up with idea in my sleep and I want to put the onus on the assembly. Yeah, mare nivudun. That's what I said. I don't see. I mean, Congress doesn't have sympathy because they had the opportunity. And RG and AAP I can sympathize. They are not in the assembly. They are not going there anywhere in the near future.
basic question.
एकूच वेर्णेकर भाऊ सांग प्रमोद पुत्र इतल्याक लागून म्हटले की आयज तुम्ही पळयता स्टेडियम मोदीच्या नांवान जाता सगळ्यात मोदी हांगा सीएमाच्या नांवान कितें जावपाक शकना
एक स्टेडियमाचेर तो सांगता पॉसिबली वी शूड ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट राजीव गांधी कितली हें आसा इंदिरा गांधी तुका जाल्यार नेक्स्ट टायम ताजेर एक डिबेटाक घेवन येता आनी मनोजान जशें म्हणलें की एवरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी टॉक्स अबाउट गोवन नोबडी वॉन्ट्स टू डिफायन हांव तेंच सांगता बेसिकली वॉट इज ट्रायंग टू डू इज अनदर पॉलिटिकल गिमिक
पॉलिटिकल
trying
काय
to-
पॉलिटिकल गेमी गोंयकार डिफायन जावपाक
अरे
जाय
तुका
सगळे
सांगलें
जाण
मरे
सांगता.
अरे पण तुका परत सांगता यू कॅनॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेट आय एम टेलिंग यू इट इज
But why can't you define? Why can't you define?
न सेम आम्ही
Why
जेन्ना
can't
आतां
you define?
गोंयकारांच्या
नाही,
हक्का
पण
जे
जेन्ना-
झारखंडी आपणाक डिफायन
आज-
करपाक सोदता,
आज-
आज बिहारी आपणाक डिफायन करपाक सोदता, गुजरातीक बिहारीचे लेबरांक तेंच्यांनी मारून धाडले, आमी मारून तरी धाडूंक ना, आमी तेंकां लॉकडावनान सगळ्यांक कोसले हांगा आमचे पयशे
नाही,
दिवन.
आज एक
So
सांगा
आमी
म्हाका.
गोंयकारांक
नाही,
ते
नाही,
तरी
नाही,
केला.
नाही.
So बाकी ते
आज-
स्थितीन जितून
आज-
बीजेपी आसा तितून मारून धाडटा ते तेंकां दिसना. आनी
मारून
तेंच्याच
कोणाक
हरियाणाच्या
धाडले रे मारून खंयच्या गोंयकाराक मारून धाडलो
गोंयकाराक
not
न्हू.
go-
तूं हांव सांगता बिहाराक
तुका तें सांगता, खंयचे
गुजरात
example-
पळय, गुजरात
खंयचे
पळय.
example घेवन लावप हांव अगेन
कित्याक
सांगता तुका
खंयचे? तुका
See,
सरकाराक
that's what I'm saying.
ऑब्जेक्टिव्हचो.
Based on some 0.1% rogues, are you going to paint everybody? And is this the AAP and Congress view also? That whoever has not come, I mean, if 30 years nahi, those who have come to go after 61, they goikar nahi.
No, no, when
Is that what AAP and Congress is agreeing
No, no,
to?
see,
No,
when the
wait, I will
remedy,
show- I will
when the
show you
remedy is
something. I
available,
will-
The Goa Succession Special Notaries Inventory Proceeding Act 2012 was passed, was notified on 22nd September 2016. So you can know who was in the chair at that time. It shall be applicable to all persons who were prior to 28th day of 19 governed by the provisions of Civil Code 1867. So all pre-Portuguese people. Any person born in Goa of parents who are governed by the provision of Civil Code 1867, which is present in force and which was in force prior to so and so. Any person born outside the state of Goa of parents who were or are governed by provision of Civil Code, unless such person declares that he does not desire to be governed by the provision of this act any time before the expiry of 3 years. Any person born in Goa of parents who are governed by the provision of the corresponding laws in force in the rest of India, provided that he chooses permanent residence state and he declares before the expiry of 3 years from the date he attains majority that he desires to be governed by this act before so and so. Any person born in Goa of parents who are foreign citizens, provided to satisfy requirement citizenship. Any person born in Goa of unknown parents, unknown nationality. Any person adopted by parents who are governed by provision of Civil Code. So that means what? Here you have brought a law which has defined who is
Who's
a
a Goan.
Goan who will be benefited by this law. That means
Yes.
the others have been kept out, and this is brought by you. You
Yeah.
agree or you don't agree now.
and when
Okay.
the remedy is available for all Goans under the earlier law,
Right.
Bhumiputra
Right.
was not
It was
required.
available.
ह्या एक्टान नोटरीज एक्टान 1961 कित्याक
तू
घातलें?
सपोर्ट करता बरं ते बिल
हांव 1961 जे कितें आहा ते सगळे सपोर्ट करता.
So he's been clear on this
No,
one.
no, but that's what I'm saying. I just want to say one thing, that I think the government's intent is correct. The intent is to give house to whoever has a dwelling but is not on his name. And the secondary, I think, the migrants, they are not Pakistanis, they are not Rohingyas, and anybody who has been in Goa for more than 30 years, I think should have at least a right to a house in Goa. आणि जशें आमी आज पुण्या म्हणटा, बँगलोर म्हणटा, so many IT engineers are there.
लिगली एन्क्रोच केला
फाल्यां- आज फाल्यां
लिगली एन्क्रोच
प्रत्येक
केला
तुम्हाला-
लँड
legally-
लिगली रावता
हे पळय,
Okay.
इलिगली सॉरी
Illegally-
इलिगली एन्क्रोच केला
तुका सांगलें मरे तुझें बिल इल्लीगल रे बाबा
पहिले
पयलीं
मनोज,
तुझें
prove
बिल
कर.
अनकॉन्स्टिट्युशनल
Let him finish.
प्रूव्ह कर. तुका सांगलें मरे फाल्यां न्हिदेन उठून सगळे येतले आनी म्हणटले इट इज ओनर्स ऑन
Wait, let him
तू कर.
finish.
तुवें हाडलो एक लीगल
Please finish.
तुमच्या लिगल एडवायझराक बसय बीजेपीन आपलं बसवचो आणि हे बिल
प्रत्येक-
लीगल कशें पळय ते
Okay,
मांडचें.
another
मागीर आमी म्हणटा की हे
discussion.
बिल
We will
कशें
have another discussion on this. I promise.
Yes.
Let us finish
Very
this,
much.
please. Let me finish this debate. If you don't mind. Giriraj, you still have 30 seconds. Yeah.
No, I mean, you know, as I said, I think we should understand the intent of this. Just because there is a word like Bhumiputra, that does not question my. I am not part of this bill. म्हाका लागना नाय. आणि for the record, म्हाका दोन्ही आसा. म्हाका tenant आसा, मुणकारूय आसा. So I still feel the intent is right. कोणाच्या तरी तकलेर परत जर तलवार आसा की आपले घर मोडून वतले काय, ताका दिलासो दिवप आय थिंक सरकारचें काम. फक्त ते भूमिपुत्र आसा काय टेक्निकॅलिटीज आसा काय बिलान हाऊ इट इज वर्डेड, आय थिंक इट इज ओपन फॉर सजेशन्स. Whether it is Congress, AAP or RG or any other political party, they should go to Goa online, they should give suggestions, and if it is not accepted, then you can go to the people.
Okay.
I think the fear is that there are a lot of people who will get benefited with this, and that there is a substantial impact on the election. That is the reason why there is so much of hue and cry.
Okay, that is a political analysis. I don't know how far it's going to pan out. It's not going to pan out, but whatever. Anyway, this debate has gone on for quite some time, and now I don't think there is going to be a meeting of the minds. This is what I see between what the government and the opposition, especially in the run-up that we are in election mode and we are getting into elections in 6 months. However, personally, I feel that some of the things could have been handled a little better from this. So anyway, thanks guys for having a very vigorous
Thank you.
debate. That's the least I can say. Thank you, and keep watching Goa 365.